Welcome, everybody. My name is Michael, and today we're discussing about cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is back in the news, now hitting over $60,000, even $63,000 plus, before it stopped its climb due to, of course, you have an exchange error. Coinbase had an error where it was resulting in a $0 balance being shown to a lot of customers. It was so bad that they had to do 3 rapid updates. And of course, they went on social media platforms to say everything is fine. But there's always that one exchange that has to ruin it. And no matter what it is, there's just I don't know if this is a company conspiracy, a industry conspiracy, but there's always this one company that's probably just too cheap for its servers, for something. There's always that one reason where something doesn't work. There's a bug, there's a glitch, and before you know it, all it takes is that one little thing and it stops rising. It even could be a rumor, but in this case, it was an actual bug that was fixed, but people freaked out. Obviously, hey, I was just trading and I saw my account went from 100 grand to 0. What is going on? Did I just lose my money? And people freak out. So welcome to crypto, everybody. We have hit above $63,000. This means we were less than $6,000. Some would say less than $5,000, but really the all-time high was in this. It was what CoinMarketCap is saying is untrue, that it was below 69,000. It was over 69,000. On some websites, it's reported at 69,500. Now, you're going to see a massive discrepancy in the markets, in cryptocurrency, even with this next thing. Why is crypto rising? Well, we're very close to the Bitcoin halving. When is it? Well, we don't know, and CoinMarketCap is recording that it's in 52 days. BitBo is recording, this is what I use, that it's in 48 days. A lot of websites are reporting it's in 50 days. So it could be April 18th, 19th, 20th, but probably it's going to be April 18th, and as we get closer, these exact dates and times will become more accurate. The reason we can never be 100% certain is it's simple mathematics based off of previous data. But previous data, history, doesn't mean this is exactly going to be accurate for what's going to happen in the future, because these block difficulties are going to change, and the amount of blocks that are mined, this number, we don't know it because it's constantly changing. So whoever is going to be that lucky winner, as we hit it, it's going to be awesome, because then the difficulty goes up. Bitcoin becomes rare, and that's why there's a lot of excitement before the halving, and there's a lot of excitement after the halving. The last time we were anywhere near ATH all-time high of 68, 69, 69,500, whatever you want to say, even the lowest reports of 68,000, let's say 500, 68,800. Well, we're only a couple grand away. We were a couple grand away. Right now, we're at 62,000 as of uploading this video, 62,000, like 600, let's say. But it's jumping. It's jumping by $500, $600, $700 constantly. Why? There's much more volume now. We're talking over $1.22 trillion in Bitcoin itself, over $2.28 trillion on all the market caps of all cryptocurrencies currently being reported. This is huge. You've got these ETFs that were approved in January. So you got the institutional investors on board. You got the halving coming up. You have people that were waiting for any movement above 50,000 who suddenly got their wish come true. And now we're seeing analysts that were saying last month, hey, we're probably going to be hitting 60, 65,000. And we are there. We actually hit it. So there is a very, very good chance we may beat ATH and may record new levels. Everyone was hungry for 100K Bitcoin. Ever since 2016, I remember it, we all wanted 100K Bitcoin. And we were absolutely insane, because at one point in time, Bitcoin was below $1,000, and we're all like, we're going to the moon! It's going to be 100,000, it's going to be 1 million, 2 million. Remember when Mr. McAfee said he would, before something happened to Mr. McAfee, but remember when Mr. McAfee, rest in peace, said he would do something. I can't really say what it is, but you know what I'm talking about. If Bitcoin hit a certain price, it was the delusional thinking, but a lot of people were super bullish. So the fear and greed index is going hyperbolic right now. We're over 80, rightfully so, because we have hit new territories that we haven't seen since November 2021. Mid-November 2021 was the last time we were in these territories. And now is new ground. Now the industry's stabler. It's larger. There's more people on this planet, by the way, than there were a couple years ago. There's more teenagers. There's more adults. There's more people with money now to spend. And now with it being a stabler industry, something that we have been prepared for these past couple of years, people have been waiting for this moment. Some of us have been in the red for a while, and now we want to be in the green. Now, I'm not one of those people because I lost everything and I'm not in Bitcoin anymore. I wish I was. This would be a very exciting story to tell. But unfortunately, I'm too broke to even afford a single Bitcoin. Yes, that would be so nice to have like 0.1 Bitcoin. I'm too broke to even afford a Dogecoin, so it is what it is. But I'm following the news. I'll be reporting it with you guys. This is very exciting territory. I just remember those days where we wanted 70,000 plus in Bitcoin, and we were disappointed. We were certainly disappointed in 2021. We were close, but we didn't hit it. And it's been a very rough past 2 years, 3 years actually, but we are getting there, and it cycles. It's always cyclical. It's seasonal because there's a lot of stuff that's going to make 2024 awesome, including it's an election year. So really, the next time it might be as fun as right now is 2028. But with that said, who knows? We might hit 100K. Realistically, probably not, because that's how life is. Probably we're going to be like 70, 80, 90. We're going to be right there, but we did it. And then we're going to have to wait till the other season. But who knows? Anyways, thanks for watching. Have a good rest of your day. If you're in Bitcoin right now, woohoo! Congratulations. You made some money. Hopefully, you didn't buy, when it was well above. But the other beautiful aspect about cryptocurrency is arbitrage. Just because it's at 62,000 right now doesn't mean there's cryptocurrency exchanges selling it for 65,000 right now. And there's certainly the gray and black markets where you're selling cryptocurrencies for well above what they're worth, even 25% value, even more, because there's no KYC AML. And now, as someone working in the banking industry, TradFi, yes, well, now it's really just my second week, and we just started, and there's a lot to learn, and it's entry level, and it's retail banking, nothing crazy. Our sights are set on private wealth and investments, and that's where we're going to be, hopefully, in the next 2 years. So from there, I want to take what I can back into crypto eventually. And there's going to be a lot of KYC and AML coming from cryptocurrency. It's like the wild, wild west. And I love it. I miss it. I have this great nostalgia of 2017, 2018. This channel one day, we will be there. So regardless of that, we will follow me on this journey and our journey. I hope you guys, all of us, are successful in the next couple of years. Eventually, we will see the day that Bitcoin hits 100K, and I hope to live to see Bitcoin at 1 million. Honestly, that made it sound like, oh, it's going to be in 100 years. No, it's probably going to be in like the next 10 years, but I hope everything's going to be okay, because that would be amazing, and I'm so happy to see it. By the way, one of my colleagues at work was like, hey, I'm in crypto right now. I've been in crypto for the past couple of years, and unfortunately, he was affected by Celsius and other stuff, but he's very happy about where Bitcoin is right now. There's a lot more people who are in cryptocurrency than there was a couple of years ago. That's the main thing. It's an amazing place to be. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.